good morning, my beautiful people, my beautiful subscribers, my beautiful, all of my beautiful family, and all of my beautiful listeners, and all of those that are watching me. Thank you very much. How are you doing today? It's good to be alive. It's good to give God thanks. It doesn't matter what, we need to give Him thanks. All right? And I'm here today. I'm going to cook some gungo soup. All right? So, I have here some, I'm going to show you all my foods. All right? But I'm going to show you something that I got from somebody. All right? Over here, I got some pots. All right? All right, this is one of my pots. Nice pot. Can you see it? New pot. All right? And this is my pot cover for the pot. What a great God. What a wonderful God. God make provision for His people. All right? And over here, I have another pot. This is a soup pot. You can see? Wonderful pot. It's a blessing. Blessing upon blessing. Alright? And this is the cover for it. Alright? Can you see? Nice. God has made a provision for us. In time of need, He always make a way out for us. Alright? Alright. Thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing. God, He always make a way for us. In time of need, in time when when it looks as if there is no way out, He always make a way for us. Alright? So I'm going to show you my food and I have my water over here boiling. So I'm going to show you my stuff here. Okay, so watch as I go. Let me know if you're seeing my pigtail. Alright, so this is my pigtail. I put it to soak from overnight. Alright, so I cut the fats, all the fats off. You can see I cut it off. Alright, so my pigtail soup with my gungo. Alright, I have some green gungos I bought at the store. And over here, this is the gungo, red pigeon, peas. Alright, and this is my food. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the banana in, but as I say, I just use what I have. So you can put whatever you want to put in your soup. So I found 2 fingers of banana to make up the food. I'm going to put it in. Alright, so I bought a piece of yellow yam. You know, when you put yellow yam in gungo soup, tastes good. And this is a piece of white yam. Alright, I'm going to put this in there. And I have 2 small potatoes that somebody gave me. Alright, so I'm going to cook. And of course I'm going to make 2 dumplings. Alright, so watch as I go. So I prefer to have less salt in your pigtail. You put it to soak from overnight. So I put mine to soak from overnight. So I have my water over there boiling. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay. You can see my water boiling. So I'm going to scald it off or boil it off maybe at 10 minutes or so. And then I'm going to put it to boil in my pressure cooker, or I'm going to put it in my pressure cooker. So as you can see, so it's going to stay there and boil like a 10 minutes or so to boil out most of the salt. But if you don't want too much salt out of it, salt is not really good. Too much salt is not good. If you don't want so much salt out of it, you can boil it maybe about 7 minutes or so. But I'm going to boil it like 10 minutes. Alright? So watch as I go. going to wash. Turn off this fire here. You hear my water running over there? All wash. I'm gonna put it in my pressure cooker to cook. Alright. And I have my gungo here. You can see my gungo, but I'm not going to put it in till after I half cook my pigtail. Alright. So here's my gungo. This is half cook. So I'm going to put my green gungo in it. So you can use both dry or green gungo peas, alright? But you know the dry one takes a bit longer to cook, alright? So watch as I go. So I already wash, alright? Always wash your peas and pick out the bad ones, okay? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, alright? Alright, so I'm going to put it to cook maybe another 10 minutes, alright? So watch as I go. I'm going to cover my pot. Alright? So watch as I go. Turn on. Turn on. So my pigtail and my peas is still boiling, okay? So I'm preparing my flour, and I'm going to put some coconut milk in it. I have some coconut here, so I'm just going to blend it before I put my food in. You can put your coconut milk anytime, but make sure that it is cooked or boiled. Make sure that your coconut milk is boiled out. And as I say, you can either use the coconut or the powder. Alright? So I'm going to use, I'm not sure what I'm going to use here. So tell me, make a comment and let me know how you make your gungo soup. Alright? Some people use chicken foot with pigtail, or whatever you want to put in it, you can. Alright? But let me know. Make a comment, man. And let me know how you make your gungo soup. Alright? Oh, my flour is so soft. I'm going to put some more flour on top of it. Alright? It's a bit soft. I put a little bit more flour on it. Alright. How do you make your dumpling? Do you use a spoon or do you use your hands? The best way to make it is with your hands, but make sure so you wash your hands. Alright, you can see? Alright, I'm going to let it sit there like for 5 minutes. Alright, I'm going to wash my hands now. can see my pot there, it's boiling up. Alright. So I just put my coconut milk in, as you can see. Alright. So I'm going to peel my food. Piece of yellow yam. Oh, yam is not that good. I paid. See, my yam is not that good, but I'm going to cook it. Right? So the yam is ready. My yam, I'm going to put them in because they're getting dark. Alright. And as I say, you put whatever you want to put in your soup. Alright. So I have an Irish here. I'm going to put it in. Putting in my dumplings now. And I have corn. I put corn in it. So if you want to put corn in it, fine, no problem. Alright. I have a piece of soft yam because it is that soft. I'm going to put it in last. Alright. Love you, my subscribers and my viewers, and all those who make a comment. Make more comment, man. Put more comment in my videos. Soft yam. You put whatever you want to put in your soup, alright? So the coconut milk make it white. But you put whatever you want to put in it, alright? So I'm going to put my chicken noodle now. This is what I'm going to put in it. This is what I have. So you use whatever noodle you want to put in yours, okay? Whatever food you want to put in your gungo soup, you just put it in. It doesn't matter. Alright? Doesn't matter. Yes, guys, this is my pot. Alright? So I'm going to put my scallion in. My scallion and my garlic. Over here I have my thyme and my rosemary and my cloves. I boil it and then I take it from the fridge. Alright? So I put it in. Over here I have a little of ginger and seasoning, all purpose. But you put whatever you want to put in your soup. Alright? This is what I put in my soup. And you can put your butter, margarine or whatever in it. I don't really use the butter, so I just use it like this. Alright? So you can cook it until if you want it to be thin, no problem. Alright? And you put whatever in your soup. Alright? Yeah, you can see my gungo. Alright? So watch as I go. Alright? Put whatever you want to put in your gungo soup. Alright? Thanks for watching, my viewers and my subscribers. And remember to subscribe to my channel and tell a friend to subscribe to my nice cooking. Alright? And as I say, use whatever you want to put in your soup. Okay? Thanks for watching. Subscribers, viewers, you can see my pot. Alright, and as I say, you put whatever seasoning you want. You see my pepper? We don't have the real Scotch bonnet over here. We don't have the real. When you get a Scotch bonnet here, no taste. So I have to just buy what I see. Alright, so the real Scotch bonnet send up the flavor. Alright, let me see those who use the Scotch bonnet in your soup. Just thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up how I like. Alright? Alright, I'm going to give you one also for the Scotchy. Use your Scotchy. Love you, my subscribers and viewers. Just watch as I go. Look at it, guys. See my corn? And don't tell me that corn can go in the gungo soup. You put whatever you want. And this is my dumpling. And I put a little piece of squash here. This is my potato. I just use what I have. And I put 2 fingers of banana in it too. Back home we have a lot of food that we can use. Over here you have to just choose something that can make the soup. And it doesn't taste as nice as back home. But over here, I just use whatever I have. Alright? Alright? See? That's my soup. You put whatever you want. I put a piece of squash. Potato. Sweet potato. Alright? You can see? Sweet potato. Alright? Thanks for watching. Love you. I love you. And give me a thumbs up. Give me a like on my pots. Alright? Thanks a lot. And my viewers and subscribers and my listeners. Can you see my pot clearly? This is my finished product. Alright? Not as thick as I wanted, but the soft yam, it was just a little piece, so it's just not that thick. But that's no problem. If you want it to make thicker than this, no problem. Alright? Love you. This is my finished product. Alright? Tastes so good. With the coconut milk and all of that, make it taste much better. But as I say, you don't specialize. You put whatever you have. If you want to specialize, no problem. A piece of yellow yam, a piece of potato, dumpling. Use your butter, your thyme and everything. But what I do, I use my rosemary, thyme and my cloves. Alright, so I boil it and throw in it. So you won't see no big time coming up because I just boil it and throw in it. Alright, so you can try it out. See my finished product? Alright, love you guys. Love you. Thanks for watching. Remember to give me a thumbs up on my pot. And thank you very much, that lady that gave me those pots. Alright? Alright, love you. So this is my finished product. Alright? Gungo soup. But as I say, you put whatever you want to put in your soup. Alright? Love you. And you take care of yourself. Try my gungo soup. Nice, gonna taste so good. And you put your margarine in it. I don't really use the margarine like that. I hurt my stomach. But you use whatever you want. You spice it up the way you want, okay? And you get your green gungu or your dried gungu with your pigtail. And if you want to put salt beef in it, no problem. Any meat you want to put in it, no problem. You just cook it in whatever form or way you want. Love you guys, and you take care of yourself. Love you. And I'm praying for all of my subscribers, all of my neighbors, and all of my families, all of you. I'm praying for you that things will work out the best. God bless you. Love you. You take care. All right.